them thumbnails. This a live face, like yo. Right back at it, y'all. Another episode of Kicks and Kish. I'm gonna keep this one real fresh and real smooth and real quick. You feel me? Kicks, right? We got the all white, we got the OG white and black Sambas. You know what I'm saying? You see the gold Samba right there. You can't go wrong. All my 80s babies and 70s babies know about this one. And even you 60s babies who were fresh as hell in the 80s know about those good old Sambas. So let's get to the kick real quick, all right? Working with the first off, you know, the cold grapes. I'm working with the Kyosho kit, you know what I'm saying? The Kyosho Fazer. I built my Kysosho, you know, so I can show you real quick. I'm not gonna tell you what KV motor it is, man. I can't tell you all that, but as you see, I got some more work to do kind of with my wiring. You know, I'm probably gonna, you know, clamp those together or whatever. I'm gonna do something a little different with my wiring, but I can tell you I'm running a 2S. You know how it is when you run into touring cars. 2S, this is a 30C smart battery. And that's all I can show you right quick. Castle Electronics. You figure out your KV and you take it from there. My first time running this car with the body, man. You know, I tested it or whatever. You know how you do your testing tunes to get your motor and all that kind of shit in there, and, you know, and all that. But this is gonna be my first time running it with the body. So let's get to it real quick. Oh yes, sir. Huh? See my goddamn face. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be a fool with this. The body is excellent, y'all. Running this without the body was hard as shit, as it should be. But with the body, goddamn, I have control over this motherfucker. Got my drag brake setting at about a good 30–40%, you know. Ooh. All right, zoom out a little bit, back up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? There we go. Cold grapes, baby. Oh, that shit gets so fast, god damn. Oh. Yes, sir. Yo, I put the exact right motor in here, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. It's the kit version. I put in my own shit, you feel me? My own ESC. I'm rocking Savox ESC or Savox. I like saying Savox. Oh, yes, sir. And then burn off. Let me bring it back on you right quick. And I'm about to wrap this up. For the 99 and the 2000. Cold grapes, baby. Catch me on the track coming soon.
It's DJ Z Mills.
Okay, gotta pick it up, run, gotta take them hits and go and get that dope to show. Okay, let's ride. Classy strippers, glide, classy strippers, get money. Plastic zipper money. Tipping the lip, I spit that knowledge. In the streets, from the college, from the street. JB is so unique, I'm smooth like that Persian rug. So take the shoes and pop the feet with me. We socialize, how I grind is no surprise. Talking about them dollar signs to some model. I guess they cannot think straight. They constantly moving, their brain is in a circle. That's what I call a think play. Yeah, pop another pill. Here, baby, feel great. And while you're at it, you get addict to the mixtape. Put your share it round the room, strip joint at the club. Back to the house, clothes off, enjoy
I let
the
your boy,
tub.
man, Kicks and Kids. Check out my other shit out too, man. Scroll the timeline. I let your boy.
Show me how much you want it. How much you really want it.